na 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 na. Yeah. I'm not the type to be noticed, 'cause I'm barely 5'7". I'm okay good looking, but lacking on fashion. I'm 20 and clueless, but most things romantic. Facing the pressures of dying alone. I hate being single for this long. I'm not the type to steal your girl. I'm not the one to speak up first. I find it hard to be someone but for my work, and I'm too shy, so I'm struggling to flirt. Yes, I'm just not perfect, serious. I think I need some loving, serious. Can't seem to say I love you, these syllables, 'cause I don't mean it when I say it. Yes, I'm just not perfect, serious. I'm dying for some boyfriend, serious. Don't fit into that modern criteria, so I'm never I think I'm better off being myself, I know, yeah. It's colored crew necks for the moment till I don't, yeah. I keep on running out of swipes, so tend to go, yeah. Cause sticking to it left is too damn slow. I've been looking inside out, but still no luck. These small conversations got me giving. Sorry, I don't really give a single fuck. Just need a girl that sees the world different, and that's enough. I'm just not perfect, serious. I think I need some loving, serious. Can't seem to say I love you, these syllables, 'cause I don't mean it when I say it. Yes, I'm just not perfect, serious. I'm dying for some boyfriend, serious. Don't fit into that modern criteria, so I'm never Yes, I'm just not perfect, material. I think I need some loving tutorials. Can't seem to say I love you, these syllables, 'cause I wanna meet